Good evening, everybody. It's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate ASL version. Excuse me. I'm still dealing with my allergies. It's going to take me some time to get through it. I can say that I feel better today. The coughing is starting to not be so significant. There's still a little bit of coughing there, but it's not as much as it was. I don't sound like I could be my daddy right now. I just sound like I had a really rough night and I'm waking up. I have to be careful when I laugh because I will lead into a coughing frenzy. Y'all know I love to laugh. My lighting situation is kind of wonky because I haven't taken out my ring light yet, and the other light is so far away, but I'm kind of sticking to my bed as much as I can. Every time I feel the need to lay down, I do. I was able to put dishes away and wash dishes today, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That made me feel good. That really made me feel good. Okay, so I do want to thank all of my subscribers, new and ride or dies. I appreciate you so much. I'm still shooting for that big 500. We're trying to get there. So please, when you come in, don't forget to hit those thumbs. Continue to share my page, please, and encourage everybody, even if you just turn on a playlist at night and let it play through. We need those viewing hours. I really need those viewing hours, please. And all of this is free. All of this is free. Please don't forget to leave comments. I do read and respond to all comments. I admit over the past few days, because of me being sick, it has taken me some time to get back to people. Haven't really been on my Chromebook that much, and that's generally where I answer all of the comments. But trust me, I'm getting to you. I'm going to try to get that done this evening. Okay, so without further ado, we have gone through 6, has it been? Have we gone through 6 alphabets already? We did A, B, C, D, E, F. Did we do G? G. Like a little pincer thing. G. And sticking with the theme of creatives, the 3 words that came to mind for me were grow. Grow. Bunch your hands together like you've got a bunch of seeds in your fingertips. You're going to take them up to flowers. This is your flower pot. Grow. Grow. Okay? The next thing, because we do a lot of putting things together, like clusters and puffs and different variations of stitches, we turn them into a group. Group, kind of like ball, just group, bringing it together. Group. Okay? So we can grow a group of crochet. Now, because I do a lot of graph ganning, and I know that Michael from Indio Crochet does a lot of Tunisian, and I heard in a recent live that we were in together that he uses the same method that I use to do a lot of my patterning. I don't really write patterns out, but I do use a lot of graph paper. Graph. Straight down, straight across, just sweep it across. Straight down, sweep it across. You're making those graph lines. Straight down, sweep it across. Graph. Okay? Graph. Group. Group. Grow. 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 Grow, a graph, and a group. All with the letter G. I hope that this helps you all as much as it excites me getting it out there. Just keep working with it, keep practicing, and let's just make big things happen in the community and spread it beyond the community. There are a lot more of us out here than people begin to know, and we've learned tactics and tricks to maneuvering, surviving, getting along in a regular to superb hearing world. And you know, I think the thing that becomes a little frustrating for us is we tend to feel isolated in that we hate to ask people to repeat themselves. Because people seem to get irritated, and then they say things like, "What's wrong with you? Are you deaf or something?" Well, legally, yeah. You know, and then they look at you strange and they want to go, "I said, could you?" Don't patronize me. I'm still a human being. You know, yeah, I'm still a human being, and I don't feel I deserve. I don't think anybody with any type of handicap deserves to be treated less than, you know, especially for circumstances that they have no control over. I think it's really, really rude and insensitive on other people's parts. And, you know, speaking of handicap, our community can be pretty hard on each other too, you know. But I just think, you know, my message is love. I am all about love. And I think putting each other down is not showing the level of love that we need to be putting out there. We are going through so much in this world right now. I mean, you look at the fact that our government seems to have forgotten our neighbors, my home state, North Carolina, and you know everything that they just went through a little over 100 days ago. I am not minimizing the fire in California. I am not minimizing it at all. You know, and I'm saying that the government is vast. It's a lot of people, and there are a lot of people who can do a lot more. I look at the number of people in our community alone who have reached out, and you know, even if it is just prayers and speaking out like we're doing more than our government is doing. It scares me to know that they are in the midst of inclement weather now, and they're still sleeping in sheds and tents. hotel vouchers have been taken away. The $750 vouchers have been denied. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just say it's praying time, y'all. That's not what we're here for. Let me give you a recap of today. The letter is G. G. Graph. 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 Group. 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 Grow. 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 Got it? Alright, guys. Go about your day. Have fun. Don't forget, if you need help with any of them, they're all bunched together in a playlist. Dig up that playlist. Click on whichever one you need. Go through, look at all of them. Even go over the quiz. See how much you've... The quiz is not there for me to test you. It's there to see for yourself how well you're doing. And to let you know, well, hey, let me go back and look at this video. Let me go back and look at this video and see what I can pick up from there. Like I said, I'm trying to keep everything in the crafting community sense right now. Once we go through the alphabets, I'll go back and I'll get colors for you. And we will be working on counting as well. And then we'll do a little more. You know, I'll get into things like blankets and sweaters and, you know, those types of things. But right now I'm trying to stick to like the basics, you know, like when we did the decrease and the drop or throwaway. And don't forget, group, gather, bunch. One sign is not limited to the one word. I'm teaching you that word because it begins with that letter. That letter G, group, gather. You know, we gather together, together to bring the Lord's blessings. I have to remember that. I did that when I was younger. But yeah, test yourself. I'm not holding you to any standard. This is just something I want to share with you. Okay? Again, thank you to all of my subscribers. Don't forget to like the video. Encourage others to subscribe. When you see that little notification bell, don't forget to hit the one with the little dimples so that you always know when I'm dropping fresh content. Okay, you guys go about your evenings. Know I love you. If you care to support the channel in any way, you can always buy me a coffee. The link is in the description box below. You can always check out my Amazon wish list, and we can get better content out to you. And don't forget to look out for the next story time from Lyric Lines. Got a good one coming up for you guys. You guys go and have a great evening. I love you. Don't forget to love yourself. Until we meet again, peace.